and share mo naman yung background mo.
So I'm Mark. Colina, I'm an aesthetic nurse, and I'm the founder of Marlo Colina Aesthetics, or we call it MC Aesthetics kasi yun ang logo. I'm based out of Houston, Texas. I'm a Cebuano, so I have an office in Cebu and also a clinic in Houston. And what I do is I'm a consultant for medical spa facilities for looking for solution for people looking for products to treat melasma or hyperpigmentation and acne. MC has its own protocol that if they use it in the clinic, they're gonna see a solution for that stubborn melasma or mga age spots. And this is what we're promoting. What we're trying to do is we're able to create a campaign to make an awareness that there is a solution for it. Not laser treatments itself, not even microneedlings lang, but there has to be a product that they have to take home with them, the patients, that is not readily available for public use. So my goal is to one day meet doctors here in the Philippines, dermas, and skincare clinic owners para matulungan sila sa problema nila. Because I had the same problem 2 decades ago on how to find that solution. And we're able to find it. We found it already.
Ayun. So, aesthetic nurse ka ba, sir?
Yes.
Kasi talagang specialist ka. Since when and paano ka napunta and paano ka napunta dun sa mga kagustuhan for?
So, high school, college, I was bullied for acne. My family kasi is sa history of acne. Yung mga cystic acne. And dumating pa sa point na nagvo-volleyball ako sa school, intramurals, ang sigaw ng mga tao sa akin, Chinchansu. Kasi yun yung product na ginagamit natin. So I came to States, my skin got better, but then eventually, nung mga late 20s, nag-start ulit siya. Nabully ako na parang ipa-bulldozer ko daw yung mukha ko para mawala yung pimples. So that brought me to skincare. I went to aesthetic school para matulungan yung sarili ko. Akala ko hindi ko kaya, nakayanan ko siya. So whatever I learned, I'm applying it naman right now to other things. Until eventually it started going into ayan na, mga other skincare problems. Ang maganda lang siguro because I'm a nurse, I'm able to understand physiology, anatomy, diba? Pharmacokinetics, I work with chemists.
Pero paano nabuo yung MC Aesthetics?
Paano nabuo? With that goal to find a solution for skin conditions like melasma, acne, and even skin tone, keratosis, psoriasis. When I practiced in skincare in 2009, gumagamit ako ng ibang concoction of products that is readily available. But in 2012 to 2013, na-realize ko na parang nandadaya ka na sa client na wala naman talaga nangyayari. So since I'm a visionary, I looked for a company and partnered with different chemists was able to find a solution for it. So, practice, trial and error, and then finally na come up namin yung
May mga pwede ka ba ma-share sa amin? At least 5 na parang common misconceptions regarding skincare.
Use systems. Do not mix and match. Because I'll give an example. Somebody's using my product and they switch a toner. Isang toner lang to a different brand, thinking that it's a mild toner, only to find out that that toner contains retinol and antagonize the result or the chemical formulation of my product that burns your skin. So always, I know naman that it's very tempting to try products. You know, you go to Watson's, or you go to SNR and Landers and Rustans, but it's always better to find or to go to a professional. Kasi skin yan for your skincare. And always be conservative.
May share ka pa bang
Additional share ko is be educated. Education is the key, and that's why MC Aesthetics is going around the world to educate people because there are so many beautiful products out there. Kaya lang walang education. Kaya nasusunog ang mga mukha, kaya nagkakaroon ng skin problem. Kasi sometimes they don't follow protocols. Skin is an investment. Wag na wag yung titipirin yun, yung skin ninyo. I think it's one of the priceless na gem that you can ever own because it reflects your health, it reflects your personality. A healthy skin means a healthy body, and you know that if somebody's sick, it shows in their skin right away. They're dehydrated, if they have cancer, if they're on dialysis, or if they have galing sila ng surgery, or may mga problema sila, may lagnat sila. But when you see somebody with a healthy skin, then that already reflects that they're healthy also. It's an investment for sure. And maybe finally, wag kayong magpapaniwala lang to whatever you see online or on mga short clips because sometimes they're just there for commercial use. Always understand what the product is for or if there's a benefit. And of course, always consult a consultant, a professional before you apply something on your face or siguro be conservative na lang. Don't even use na lang anything if your skin naman is okay.
Curious lang ako, bakit dito sa route na to, yung parang tinahak mo, compared dun sa iba na syempre easy na sabon, na mga skincare, na madali lang readily available sa cashier or ano, ikaw is through the clinic.
Okay. And the reason being is that yes, there are different products naman that you can use that is over the counter or mabibili mo lang off the rack. MC Aesthetics is a totally different line. It's a different league. And it can only be dispensed by distributors and professionals because it is going to address a specific issue which is yun nga, mga stubborn skin problems. And if you put MC Aesthetics in the market or readily available for the market, aside from its price point, which is because it's US dollars na and it's made in America, it has to be dispensed by a professional who will give you instructions on the right protocol for you to follow. So hindi siya magiging effective pag nilagay mo lang siya sa isang tindahan tapos bibili na siya because they're not gonna understand it. So that's not really the route and the platform.
There is a movement ngayon na parang skincare made for parang Filipinos, specifically for Asians, having parang manufactured in the US. Paano mo masasabing para magiging effective yung unang nagamit for the whites to Asians?
So, the misconception of a skincare product is used for a certain skin color, di ba? That's the question. So, ganito yun. Skin is skin regardless of color. Okay? When you address melasma or a specific skin condition, it doesn't mean because she's itim, she has to use this product. If she has melasma, you're going to use a product for melasma. You're going to use a product for acne. So whether with whatever color it is. Now, MC Aesthetics will transform the skin into baby skin result, regardless of age. I mean, of course, teenager and up na yan eh. Regardless of color, regardless of nationality. Kasi for example, as a nurse, pag yung isang pasyente meron siyang boil or meron siyang decubitus ulcer, hindi ko naman pwedeng sabihin na, oh, don't use calmoseptin in that patient because that's Filipino patient. You should use Tegaderm on this patient because she's a black patient. It's not like that. Skin is skin, regardless of color. So remember, the goal of MC is to correct a certain skin condition that should not be there. So in general, regardless of the color and nationality, it's going to fix what it needs to fix.
Kasi yan usually yung mga selling point ngayon ng mga nag-launch.
Yan yung mga idea nila to marketing strategy. It's not. The truth is, whatever it is, it's going to fix whatever it's going to fix.
Question pa kita.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Salamat po.
Salamat.